Hello friends, welcome to new tutorial. In this tutorial, I am going to explain two feature module command. One is revolve boss base and another is revolve cut. So for that, I select one sketch on front plane. First make a center line. Make sure it is vertical. Select corner rectangle. Okay. Simply exit the command. Go to feature. Select revolve boss. So here by default that center line or that construction line that we have made is selected as axis of revolution, and our entity is selected as entity which going to be revolved. Simply press OK. So everything is depend on how you select your axis of rotation. Let's say simply right click and edit feature. Instead of this line, if I select this line, then you can see the preview, or I can select this line as well. You can see the changes. We have other options too, up to vertex. So if we have any vertex point in between our path, then we can extend our revolve geometry till that point up to surface. So in up to surface option, we can select any surface or any plane to constrain our revolve feature. So let's say if I select right plane, then our revolve geometry is going to revolve till that plane. I can also input offset between that plane and our revolve geometry. Let's say I make 5 centimeter offset between that plane and our revolve geometry. You can see in preview. I can reverse the offset direction, or I can flip the offset direction. I can also add another direction. You can see in preview. in thin feature is used for giving this thickness to your geometry. So I give 0.5 centimeter thickness, and let's see the preview. I uncheck the option for now. And that's everything we have in Revolve command. So next I'm going to explain about Revolve cut. You see our sketch is fully defined. Now exit the sketch, activate Revolve boss feature. It's saying our sketch is open, but the important thing in Revolve boss is though our sketch is open, then also it's automatically select that center line as axis of revolution and remaining sketch as our Revolve entity. Simply press yes. So 50% work in our piston head is completed. Now we insert another sketch on front plane. Now we are going to add one center rectangle. Give dimension. Press OK. Simply exit sketch. Okay. Simply activate Revolve cut feature. You can activate Revolve cut feature from this this command toolbar, or you can set it from cut and Revolve cut. In axis of rotation or revolution, I am going to select first this axis. For that, I simply expand my part tree, go to Revolve 1, select show, it's already shown, and simply select this axis. So remaining sketch 2 is automatically got selected. Simply press OK. You can see the changes. Same like Revolve feature, in Revolve cut has similar kind of options up to vertex. If we have any vertex point, then we can revolve till that vertex point. If we have surface or any plane, then we can revolve till that plane. Let's say I select right plane, so our revolve command is only cutting till right plane. Friend, that's it for today. See you in next tutorial. Thank you and have a nice day.